Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add grayscale toggle button like this in your WordPress website that turns your website color into gray. You can see when I clicked on this button, the color of my website is turned into gray. And when I click back on it, you can see the original colors are turned back. So to create it, let's begin. First of all, we have to log into the dashboard. Here on the dashboard, I will install a new plugin. So I will go to plugins and click on add new. Now in the search bar I will search for WP accessibility. Here we have multiple plugins, but the WP accessibility by the Joey Dawson is our pick. I will install the plugin. After installation, click on activate. Now the plugin is successfully activated. Scroll down and here you can see the WP accessibility plugin. Click on accessibility settings and it will take you to its settings. Now leave this first section, add skip links, scroll down and here you will find the toolbar option. Here you can enable the accessibility toolbar and here you have multiple options that you can select. But for now I will select this grayscale. After selecting the box, I will click on update the toolbar settings. Now the toolbar settings are updated. Now I will view the website live page. So go to your website, click on visit. And here you can see I have this toggle button. When I click on it, the website color will turn into grayscale. That's how you can create grayscale toggle button in simplest way. That's it for today. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.